The UAE has always prioritized the need to build a vibrant local F&B sector, with special emphasis on promoting localized manufacturing. Over the years, the nation has witnessed the emergence of national champion companies in the F&B manufacturing sector, serving the needs of the people and adding to the national exchequer through export. A driver of job creation and facilitator of a vibrant SME value chain, the F&B manufacturing sector of the UAE is now transforming to prepare for the next 50. To support the nation's ambitions for the Centennial 2071. Drawing impetus from the visionary leadership, the nation's world-class infrastructure, access to talent, and with a digital-first mindset, the F&B industry is transforming to be future-ready. In fact, during the pandemic, our sector emerged as the most resilient, helping drive economic recovery and underlining its contribution to the national food security strategy. With the core themes of sustainability, innovation, and digitalization, we are embracing the new trends that will take our industry to the next era of progress and prosperity. The driver of our industry success is the strong collaborations we foster. Together, let us build a robust F&B manufacturing sector, one that will be a strong legacy for our future generations.